Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the correct audio device and clearing any software clutter. Open Logic and choose your interface so routing is consistent. Inconsistent devices create glitches. Once done, lower the I/O buffer to 128 samples. This balances latency and CPU. If you need lower latency, step to 64 or 32 but watch CPU. Also quit background apps and disable Bluetooth because audio interrupts cause spikes. These first steps remove obvious conflicts and give you a stable base to optimize further. Next, tackle CPU and plugin latency. Enable low latency mode for tracking so Logic ignores plugin delay compensation. This reduces latency immediately. Bypass or freeze tracks with heavy plugins like convolution reverb or soft synths, because plugin processing is often the real culprit. If you still get glitches, increase the process buffer range from small to normal or large. This trades a bit more latency for stability. Make sure to maintain sample rate consistency and use native drivers. These changes lower round-trip time and prevent dropouts. Finally, refine hardware and system settings to finalize latency reduction. Install the latest driver for your interface and connect to a high-bandwidth port like USB 2, 0/3, 0, or Thunderbolt. Driver stability matters more than tiny buffer gains. Disable app nap and energy-saving features so the CPU won't throttle. Once done, test different sample rates, 44, 1K versus 48K, and, if needed, try an aggregate device to isolate the interface. If issues remain, the key troubleshooting tip: run a clean project with only the interface and a single track to identify whether plugins or hardware cause the latency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.